Alright guys, Pat's light flashing like normal. Dashboard. This is what it does when I stick the key in and try to crank it. Nothing. All that's on is that check engine light, the exclamation light, oil, battery, dashes on the mileage gauge, brake light, seatbelt light. Light's not flashing. Usually if it's the Pats, I think that light flashes real fast. Like I said, the dashes. Alright, I'm going to leave this on and I'm going to show you the battery. Battery cable fine, not corroded. That one's not corroded. It's all secure. All the fuses are good. The relays, I just bought this relay because I thought it was bad. Had a little burn mark on it. Alright, I'm gonna go up under here and show you what happens to the starter. Alright. There's the starter. This is what it does when I try to jump it. It just spins, it doesn't engage the flywheel.